Alright, yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Yo, I'm tired. So today we are going to vlog in New York City. We have a special kind of video. It's not gonna be a long video because I don't even know how much charge my camera has, but I didn't charge it. So, but right now I am at my school. I don't know if you really can't see my school. I'm here because I have to pick up something from my online class, taking my last class, and then I'm out of the school, transferring. Don't know yet where I'm gonna go. Possibly Florida if I get involved with the Disney program, but who knows. But we have to go pick up a lab kit from my teacher, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Let me show you, look at this thing. It's a heavy box, believe it or not. Should I open it? Should I not open it? Let me see. Damn. Oh, look at what we got here. What's this? I haven't taken biology. I haven't taken biology since like high school, and like when I was a sophomore. That's ancient. So we got some tape. We got something wrapped in bubble wrap. I'm not even gonna bother with that yet. What else we got? We got food microbiology. I don't know what that is. But it comes with a fork. That's all that concerns me. We got, oh wait, oh what? Viruses. You know, bro. We got Ebola here. 10% sodium. We got
You stupid.
If you ever watched Jimmy Neutron, when they had that burger joint and my boy was trying to be smart with his shit, he was like,
just a little sodium chloride.
Actually, dude, it's salt.
That's what I said, sodium chloride.
Dude, that would be salt.
That's how I know how to pronounce this. Alright, but I actually have to leave, and from there I'll either start vlogging or I'm just gonna hang out with my friends because I have a friend coming from Arizona and I meet up with my friends from New York. We're all gonna hang out. So you guys, I will see you possibly in New York City. See y'all later. Yo! We're out with my boy, yo. So this is a long ass walk, bro.
Yo, we got lost. We literally got lost. Like,
whose fault is it?
Eric's, yo. Like, Eric has really got us lost. That shit.
Yeah, look at him. Thanks to him, bro. We got lost.
Next time we gotta give him a head start, like 1 hour head start.
Big facts, yo.
10 likes and we give Eric a 1 hour head start.
Yeah, my
10 likes.
My videos don't get 10 likes anymore, man.
10 likes, yo.
You gotta help me with those likes, man. You gotta be through them. I don't get 10 likes anymore. I don't got it like that anymore.
I got you.
Bruh. Bruh.
Yeah, we taught Eric. Wow, look. Yeah.
My boy with the angles. Wait, it's backward. What up, bro? We out here. We out here. Wait, what are you doing? Yeah, bro. Yo, so who won?
Obviously me.
I know if y'all saw it last time.
Nah, I'm lying. Molly won.
Yo, what happened? What happened?
Molly won.
He was trying to make me buy his bullshit ass mixtape.
Did you at least look at it? Like,
This shit look trash.
Oh, you shouldn't listen to it.
And you from Queens, so you know that shit bullshit.
How you know he from Queens?
He just said he from Queens, New York.
That ain't my people.
Queens, New York. That shit trash.
Oh, he's probably from Brooklyn.
I told you I get harassed every single day. He said, you from Brooklyn? He said, I'm scared of you.
so confidence is key.
Confidence is the key. If they say no, don't be mad, don't be sad, be glad.
Yo, my man got the bars. Yo,
You can't be sad or mad. Be glad that they
my man hitting that bars.
Be their dad.
I'm gonna have to stop you right there.
But the moral of the story is, get on the yum yum sauce.
Okay, you just killed that shit.
You know what?
You killed that shit right there and then.
These are my friends, y'all. Except for, I don't know him.
No, wait, this is my brother.
Oh yeah, we're brothers, yo.
Oh, yeah. That's my little seat right here.
Bitch?
Oh, hell no.
Excuse me, I'm older than you, though.
Alright, stepson. Ready?
Oh man, they have, okay, I can't do this. You cold? You cold?
Nah.
Bro, alright,
Only my hands, only my hands.
Alright, my man got a denim jacket, which is like, that shit is light. And then he got a hoodie. He got the essentials joint, because he told me. Hey, I don't know what you got.
T-shirt.
You got a t-shirt. I don't know what you got. But look, my man got black jeans with fitted, and then we got my white sneakers on. I taught you well, bro. You've been watching my video.
Yeah.
I can tell you've been watching.
I just watched my own video.
You got videos? You want me to shout you out?
X video.
Oh,
Yo. Bro, follow me on Pornhub, bet.
no.
What?
You don't got a license. You got no whip.
My X video.
Why are we still talking about this?
Bro, I don't need that, bro. I don't need a license to drive, bro. I just be driving, like.
Yo, follow Alan on Toontown.
Facts. Bro,
I don't play that anymore.
I got Mad Max tunes, bro. Nobody wants to
I don't know why he bragging about that. Shout out to Toontown. We already know
Facts,
Toontown.
bro.
Shout out, that's how I know this guy right here.
Shout out to Joey.
Shout out. Tell me to the word unite.
Facts.
Y'all see this, right?
Yo, put that on YouTube. Everybody's like, yo.
Show some moves for the camera. Oh my god. We're in the entrance. Alright, let's move this way. Show some moves for the camera.
Show them the dance, Eric.
I bet.
My man.
Bet.
Let's see it from this point of view. Hold on. Oh.
Thank you, Molly.
Yeah, just a little something.
Oh, thank you. We can.
I will keep this forever.
See, right? I have mixed feelings about Arizona, but
We're gonna make.
Yo, you know what's crazy? Did you have an Arizona in New York yet?
The drink Arizona.
Oh, no, I haven't.
I should have bought that. I knew it.
is there a corner store? You can go buy one right now.
No.
Yes, like down the street. But...
Yo, you keep going to CVS real quick. You gotta have.
Bro, I'm not going to CVS for that.
Wait, time out. They be whipping us this whole time. 99 cents? You know how many times I bought Arizonas? I bought that shit for my whole middle school career.
That's at school though. Like I'm in the pocket.
99 cents. I'll have like $5. Yeah.
Bruh.
That's IQ right there.
Sponsored by Arizona right here.
Yeah.
All right.
These are restaurants.
Let me tell you something, bro.
He's slow, right? He's slow as my
First of all, he's trying to blame me for this. But first of all,
it's not
I was in New York. Look, I was in New York first. He didn't even leave yet.
Yeah, yo, he set you up. He set me up one time.
Bro. And so I was like, yo, let me go 5 streets down to get a coffee at a coffee shop. I know. I was there for like 40 minutes, and then he was like, oh, I left.
Yeah.
And then I waited 20 more minutes, and then I left to watch there. When he called me, I was already there. I did my part.
It's crazy. If I didn't have work, I would have met up the album before you guys.
Yeah.
I don't got nothing to say, man.
Yeah, because you the call.
I was the first one here in New York. I don't care.
Bitch, you was born here.
I've been here 21 years.
Yo, you still in my joke?
What? How is that? It's facts.
Alright. We made history. We all met.
Yeah.
I see you a little too much.
Bro, I see too much. Yeah.
I seen you twice and I seen her once. It's history. Yeah, this is the second time.
It could have been 3 times, but
I was
going through a struggle.
I think I was in Cali the next time you guys come down. I could be wrong though.
I think so.
Remember I was telling you, I was like, I haven't hung out with the student in a long time.
And she was the reason why we all,
Yeah.
she was the glue
To move.
Move. Wait, I was late. Move. Wait.
2, 3,
Move.
Everyone, put your hands together, and I'll mark us with a special sign.
What gives, Taya?
It's a symbol of our friendship.
Oh wait, I gotta record.
Wait, hold on.
No, it's a goodbye. Come on. Alright, no. Alright, one on the street and then one off street, okay? See, how you like New York?
I love New York.
And you didn't want to come here.
No, I did want to come
No.
here.
He told me you did want to come here like months ago.
Oh, well, yeah, but that's because it's so far away. But now that I'm here, I'm like, I have to.
Crying. Shut the camera off. It always recording? It should be. Alright. What's up, everybody? We're back from New York City. And as you guys can see from, basically the whole video, I went to meet up with some friends. And I want to get into that in a little bit. But first, while I was away, I got some Yeezys in the mail. And bro, I'm hyped as hell. I got the Belugas, and I'm super hyped about these joints. And of course, I wasn't home when they came in the mail, so that's great. To end the video, I just want to briefly talk about friends. You need to have at least one real friendship. Real friendships is what matters. Fake friendships, you can kind of just, let them go. It's like whatever. I've had my encounter of a lot of fake friendships, and I have few real ones, but I have them, and I consider the people that were in a vlog, which are Eric, Justin, and Molly, to be very close friends to me, and people I can definitely trust. So recently, I went to go see John and Kevin, my boys in Florida, and we all hung out. Met up with my boy Mark as well, and some of their friends, and they're all cool, super chill, super nice people. Then we had our friend Molly come here today to New York City from Arizona, and I went to Arizona in the summer last year. I couldn't go see her if I wanted to because one, I was with all my friends, and two, we weren't even there for like a day. We were there for like 8 hours because we were in Vegas that day. And but I'm not gonna go to Vegas. That's another story for another day. So I'm glad she was able to come down here, hanging out with everybody. I don't know why, but it got me thinking. For some reason, I was on the train back, and I was thinking like, yo, these are my real friends. Like, and there's others. And the crazy thing is, none of them live in Jersey. I mean, I do have a few good friends here, and I'm grateful for them. I want to say like, these people, I guess, make more efforts to go hang out with me. They hit your boy up. For example, Eric's always like, yo, let's hang out. I'm like, yo, I'm down. Me and Justin aren't, the closest, but I guarantee you after today, we're going to get closer. This is my second time meeting him. And with Molly, she's helped me get through some tough times back last year. And her, Eric, and some other people, definitely helped me. These guys invited me. And it's crazy because they all know, like, those three know each other very well. They've known each other for years. And realistically, I haven't known Molly and Justin that long. I've known them for more than a year, probably. I've known Molly a bit longer than Justin. They didn't have to invite me. They really didn't. But I did. I got invited. They asked me to go. And that's something I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart, seriously. I've gone through a lot of things, and the one thing I always look for are friends, and I know who my real friends are. I know who aren't my real friends, and that's how it is. I don't want you to be a fake friend to me. But Eric, Molly, Justin, y'all some of the realest people I know. But yeah, sometimes I feel like my life isn't in Jersey. What I'm looking for is not here, and it makes me every day I want to move out, like out of Jersey more and more every day, and I don't know where I'm going to end up, but I don't see my life being in Jersey in 10 years. I don't see myself in Jersey. I hate the state so much. There's things to do, I'm not going to lie, but I don't know, I'm not happy here realistically. And sometimes I get those thoughts where I'm like not happy. I'm not happy being here. I try to suck it up, and it's not such a bad thing, but I do want to be happy in the long run. So right now I'm just dealing with it, trying to do what I can to get out of this mindset and then be able to make the big switch and move. And I'm trying to go for that Disney college program. Let's see if I get in. I don't know, but we'll see. That's enough of that. This wasn't that kind of video. This is a vlog to see my friends. And again, thank you guys for inviting me. You guys really didn't have to do that. Alright, let me end one more thing. So, Eric, Justin, Arizona. See you guys later.